Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 2016 Topps Tier 1 Asia Edition Baseball. 6-box random teams, number 7. Congrats again to Joey Amar and Army ATC 22. They won spots in the triple case break of National Treasures from joining this one. There we go. See if we can land something sick. Packs are extra wrinkly. All right, first up we got Phil Niekro to 99, the Atlanta Braves, and the Pack Ripper. Richie Schaefer, Tampa Bay Rays, LA Kings fan for life, to 299. And an Anthony Rizzo jersey for the Cubs to 299. Duke for life, 1980. Brandon Phillips to 149, the Reds. Unknown 409. Sorry, Brandon Drury to 299, the D-backs. Joey Amar. And Cole Calhoun jersey to 399, the Angels. Ed Seat. Four hits in this one, extra relic card. James Shields for the Padres. Health coach at a 249. Carl Edwards Jr., the Cubs. Duke for life. First relic, Kurt Suzuki for the Twins. LA Kings fan for life. Rays and Twins combos got 2 hits. And the Phillies, Steve Carlton, 14 of 25, double jersey. Chunk LaFunk. Legends dual relic. Rafael Palmeiro for the Rangers, 94 of 99. YBJ. The Yankees, Rob Refsnyder, rookie auto. B.A. Absher, 299. And Alex Gordon for the Royals, Army ATC 22. Mike Zunino, Seattle Mariners, another 4-hit pack. Eagle Eye 82. Excuse me. Matt Duffy for the Giants to 299. DNH Martin. Lucas Duda, the Mets, and Riveri, 299. And Dallas Keuchel to 50 for the Astros, double jersey. Into the Pit. There we go. Red ink for the Blue Jays, Carlos Delgado, 4 out of 5. Frog Dancer. Peter O'Brien, the D-backs. Joey Amar, number to 299. DJ LeMahieu to 299, the Rockies. YBJ. And for the Astros, legend relic Craig Biggio. Into the pit. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Our Tier 1 autograph lies in those other 6 boxes. You want to jump on them. Until next time, peace.